Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2009 75 horse. This is a 4-stroke Yamaha. This is 20-inch. It is remote. It'll come with a good used control box or a new one depending on what I have. This one came back with 303 hours. It has 200 PSI on all 4 cylinders. It'll come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new engine oil, and the fuel system was cleaned. Go ahead and fire this one up here. Make sure my clamps tighten down. Spraying good water out. Go ahead and put it in forward. Dump a little water out of the tank. Back to neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Tilt and trim's working good. Does have one up on the engine as well. Turn it off. Fire it up. The vibration is coming from the tank. Not much I can do about it when we run these big engines. Go ahead and shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.